This is a bump test and demonstration of the BW Gas Alert Micro 5 PID. So I'm going to begin by powering up the unit. This unit here has the H2S sensor, the LEL sensor, the PID sensor, and the O2 sensor. However, the O2 sensor is old and they only have a limited lifespan. This one's probably about 5 years old. So the O2 sensor is no good, but the other sensors appear to work. So I'm going to bump test the other sensors. This right here is a gas canister for bump testing. It's 25 ppm H2S, 100 ppm carbon monoxide, 50% lower explosive limit for methane, and 18% oxygen. And that would be for testing the O2 sensor, which is disabled on this unit because it does not work. Attaching the Tygon hose to the inlet. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to open the valve. Okay, I turned the valve off. I'm going to take the adapter off. Try to blow on it to clear the gas from the sensors. Now, if you notice here, the sensors did activate as far as the H2S, the carbon monoxide, and the LEL. The PID, if you notice, was 0 and it stayed 0 throughout the entire bump test. That's because this canister does not contain anything that will trigger the PID sensor. And I do have another canister right here of isobutylene, and this is designed to activate the PID sensor. So I'm going to connect that right now. I'm opening the regulator to clear it. Closing the regulator. Okay, for this procedure, what I do is I open up the regulator before I put the regulator on the cylinders. Then as soon as I get that regulator all the way threaded onto the cylinder, then I close it, and that's to purge it and make sure that there's no cross-contamination between gases between the two cylinders. Okay, so now I'm going to put the adapter piece back on the sensor, and connect it. Okay, and this is the isobutylene. And that is the bump test using the calibrated gas cylinders. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a demonstration test. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the stove so just gas comes out. So it's just gas coming from the stove right now, no flames. So that's at 0. And this is to test the LEL. I really stressed out the methane detector. Now, another thing is a demonstration of the PID sensor, and that's using this nail polish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this nail polish up, and this, nail polish remover, which contains acetone, and I'm going to pour a little bit over here onto the sink. Okay. You can see the PID is already rising. It's going down. Put it next to that acetone again. Actually, I'm going to pour some more acetone. Oh, that's plenty there. I'm going to move this sensor to some fresher air. Okay, now it's going down again. Now we're ready to rinse out the acetone near the sink. Let's see if it detects any more. Okay, it looks like it hasn't detected any more because I'd rinsed it all the way. I rinsed all the nail polish remover off. Well, this concludes my test of the gas alert, micro 5 PID. I'm going to just show the minimum maximum shown on here. I guess that's what that button's for. I'm going to just power off. And that concludes my test of the gas alert micro 5 with PID but without the O2 sensor. Thank you.